Hello friends, what's up? Dear friends,
From today onwards, we're going to start English learning course.
so let's join us.
Let's learn English together.
Lesson number 1. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Xavier.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Let's sing together. What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name? My name is Salar.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Friends, lesson number 1 was about what's your name? And now, lesson number 2 is about what's his name? Let's start lesson number 2. Salar, what's his name?
His name is Peter. Why? What's her name?
Her name is Zana. Once again, Salar, what's his name?
His name is Peter. Why? What's her name?
Her name is Zana.
Why? What's his name?
Salar, are you kidding?
Tell me why.
Okay, fine. His name is Salar.
You're right, bye. It's me, Sarah.
What's his name?
His name is Peter.
What's his name?
His name is Peter. What's her name?
Her name is Anna.
What's her name?
Her name is Anna.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Goodbye, dear friends.
We'll come again with more exciting videos.
Please like my video. Allah Hafiz.